Hi guys, this is Sam from Superkilometerfilter, and in today's video, I'll show you how to delete the dashes in the speedometer of your Mercedes. Open the MB Tools Launcher V2 software on your computer after you have connected the computer with the OBD dongle to your card. After MB Tool has opened, choose your setting and press the Launch MB Tools button. Confirm that the APP is allowed to make changes to your device. Now log in with the data of our guest account and insert the token we have sent you. The lines are still visible, but that will change soon. If you are connected to the vehicle, select the Identify Vehicle option. Then select Connect to ECU. After you have connected, select Virginize and make a note of the mileage. Confirm with OK. Wait until the process is complete and confirm that the coating should be applied. Now select Teach In, and then enter the noted kilometer value, and confirm to continue. As you can see, the dashes have been deleted. If this did not work, we will now briefly explain what else you can do. Select Ignition Switch, and in the menu, unlock Firewall and start Run Routine. And then repeat the Teach In part. In most cases, the first way works. I hope we were able to help you. See you in the next video. Until then, all the best.